I am at the departure hall, and the first place you should come is the bookshop. Lots of books, new books, and there are some discount, 10%. Buy 3 books and get 15%. There are a lot of new arrival. Everything you want to know about everything. It's all in this bookshop, from little kids to big kids, to Stephen King's, and books by Mrs. Everything. There are very good selection of books. It's for the kids, children section. So the magazines on the left, the non-fiction, the section on your left, the magazines, and rows of non-fiction. This is a business book, getting better, moments, winning, how to make money, and so on. They make money by selling books. 50 million rising. I don't know what's that. History of PMB. Wow, this big book. How rich people think. I haven't read that. 3 things successful people do. I should read that. I think everybody should read How to Win Friends and Influence People. I have read that thing in the 1970s by Dale Carnegie. It's a good book. And a lot more books. This is a Forgotten Fairy Tale, Brave Brilliant Girl. Kabar, video. And ini ada Reader Digest, 18 food that heal, must eat, from the expert. I don't know who is the expert. It's very good. Muhammad Hash Guide. Oh, that's new, I guess. For Umrah and Hajj. There you go. And the next thing you have to go is looking for some jewelry. It's nice jewelry. The perfume section. So the luxury area. This is what they call the golden hour, where people would just walk around here. You feel nice, you smell nice, and you tend to buy. Whoa, I like this section. It's very sweet smell. There you go, people are buying. This is the golden hour in any of the airport in the world. Oh, excuse me. And finally, the chocolate section. Lots of chocolates. Buy one, free one. And Milky Way, Twix, Kinders. Yeah, my grandkids love Kinders. Ferrero, and all these M&M.